Are you looking for delicious and easy, cheap vegetarian meal prep recipes for weight loss? I made a collection of my favorite healthy food, easy vegetarian meal prep ideas for the entire week and with lots of ideas for an easy weeknight dinner. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. One of the most difficult parts of losing weight is meal prep. You have to be dedicated to doing it on a daily basis, but with the right recipes, it's not as bad as you think. Here are some cheap and easy vegetarian meal prep recipes that will help you lose weight. I have compiled a list of vegetarian recipes that are guaranteed to make your mouth water. Number 1. Lasagna stuffed portobello mushrooms. If you're looking for a hearty, yet meat-free meal, these lasagna stuffed portobello mushrooms are the perfect option. Not only are they delicious, but they're also easy to prep ahead of time. These mushrooms make the best vegetarian meal prep recipe. They're packed with flavor and nutrients, and will leave you feeling satisfied. Plus, they're super easy to make. Simply stuff the portobellos with your favorite lasagna ingredients, bake, and enjoy. Number 2. Vegan Sweet Potatoes Burrito Bowl. This make-ahead sweet potato black bean vegan burrito bowl is the ultimate plant-based dinner for a flavorful weeknight meal and easy to pack in your meal prep container. It's loaded with flavor, naturally gluten-free, and made ultra-delicious with a lime cilantro avocado dressing. You'll want to devour this healthy, satisfying meal all week long. Number 3. Meal Prep Chopped Chickpea Salad. This meal prep chopped chickpea salad is an easy recipe and can be made on the weekend and enjoyed throughout the week. Store them in meal prep containers or as jar salads. Number 4. Jerk Spiced Crispy Tofu Meal Prep Bowls. Spicy jerk, crispy tofu with sweet and spicy pineapple salsa and grilled tender stem broccoli means that your lunch meal prep just got a brand new kickstart. This simple make-ahead meal will only take you 30 minutes and means that you'll be the lunch envy of your office for the whole week. Number 5. Grilled Veggie and Black Bean Meal Prep Bowls. Make these grilled veggie and black bean meal prep bowls on the weekend and you will have 4 work lunches waiting for you. A great vegetarian meal prep option that will keep your oven off this summer. Number 6. Meal Prep Sweet Chile Tofu Bowls with brown rice, garlic, red bell pepper, and carrots. Skip the delivery and whip up these easy vegetarian meal prep sweet chile tofu bowls with brown rice, garlic, red bell pepper, and carrots. This healthier version of takeout is not only delicious, but it's simple to make and good for you, too. The best part? These bowls can be prepped ahead of time, so you can enjoy a healthy, home-cooked meal all week long. Number 7. Arugula Pesto Pasta Meal Prep. Pasta of your choice is dressed with a quick homemade arugula pesto and tossed with zucchini, green peas, and broccoli. This vegan pasta dish tastes great chilled or warmed up. One of my favorite vegetarian recipes. Number 8. Curry Chickpea Salad Wraps. These flavorful curry chickpea salad wraps are made in under 10 minutes, making them perfect for vegetarian meal prep or a quick lunch. Number 9. Meal Prep Greek Couscous Salad. This vegetarian meal prep Greek couscous salad is great for prepping ahead for lunch. Portion it out into individual lunch bowls, or serve it as a side dish. Number 10. Vegetarian Meal Prep Quinoa Burrito Bowls. These easy vegetarian quinoa burrito bowls are the perfect recipe to meal prep for a healthy lunch or dinner. It makes 5 days' worth of food in less than 20 minutes, is packed with nutrients and tastes delicious. Number 11. Fresh Spring Rolls with Peanut Ginger Sauce. These fresh spring rolls are a colorful, crunchy vegan meal prep perfect for a light lunch, dinner, or appetizer. They are served with an amazing peanut ginger sauce and are gluten-free. Number 12. Super Easy Vegan Meatballs in Italian Tomato Sauce. Flavorful and tender vegan meatballs with spaghetti and tomato sauce, anyone? Succulent and bursting with Italian flavors, these super easy meatless meatballs are the ultimate vegan, healthy and budget-friendly comfort food. Number 13. black bean and plantain arepa sandwiches. Since we just mastered our arepas, it just wasn't right not to show you how to make my ultimate arepa sandwich. It includes all of my favorite things, like guacamole, sweet roasted plantains, and smoky black beans. And it comes together in 30 minutes with 10 ingredients. Number 14, Quinoa Burrito Bowls. Quinoa burrito bowls are easy to assemble and delicious to eat. Cilantro lime quinoa, seasoned black beans, cherry tomato pico de gallo, pickled jalapenos, and diced avocado come together in a meal that's vegan, gluten-free, and oil-free. Number 15, Fresh and Easy Green Lentil Salad Recipe. This green lentil salad recipe is healthy, fresh, and totally delicious. It makes a great light and easy vegetarian meal prep or side dish. Number 16, Roasted Vegetable Quinoa Meal Prep Bowls. Roasted vegetable quinoa meal prep bowls super simple to make. These meal prep bowls are packed full of healthy vegetables and topped with a lemon tahini sauce. Whether you make them for lunch or dinner, they are sure to leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Number 17, Curry Roasted Vegetable Quinoa Bowls. Curry. Oh, curry. There are so many ways to enjoy it, and it's always one of my absolute favorite dishes. Whether it's Thai, Indian, Lebanese, Moroccan, you name it, curry recipes always catch my eye. Cheap vegetarian meal prep. Don't get me wrong, eating healthy does not require you to spend a lot of money. Yes, fruits and vegetables might get a bit pricey, especially if they spoil or dry out too quickly. But again, this is why you should meal prep. When you have meal prep food, you will be more motivated to eat, as the only step you need is to reheat your meals. Vegetarian meal prep recipes, high protein. It is easy to get your needed nutrients when you're a vegetarian. And unlike popular belief, it is also easy to have your boost of protein even when you're on a plant-based diet. How do vegetarians meal prep for a week? With more limited choices, meal prepping, especially if you are a vegetarian, can get quite challenging. You always have to come up with meals that you won't ever get tired of. However, what's good about this type of meals is that you can have your boost of nutrients and proteins in an even easier manner. You can easily just open a can of beans and you're actually good to go. Just like anyone else who meal preps, vegetarians have almost the same strategy in meal prepping, minus the meat, of course. With that said, here are some tips and strategies on how to meal prep for a week if you are a vegetarian. This is one thing that you should always have or stock up on, because where else are you going to put your prepped meals? If you have at least one day free, maybe a lazy Sunday, then you might want to go out and do some grocery shopping for the whole week. Get ingredients that you want to put into your meal. The more options, the better. On the other hand, if you really don't have time, then you can always order online or have your grocery delivered. Chop and store. Chop your vegetables ahead of time so that you can just easily mix these into a salad or other meals you plan to prepare. If you store your veggies in the fridge, it can last for about 4 days. If you opt for the freezer, it can last for about 3 months. And lastly, you just need to cook your meals so that it will easily be reheatable the next time you reach for it. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, Please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.